So we're going to find the partner of the red king.
Yes.
Okay.
Tell me step one you want to start.
Okay, so if I want to find the partner of the red king, I'm going to start with the red king.
Okay.
Oh, okay, from there.
Stop.
Do I tell you when to stop?
Stop.
No, not yet. Keep going. Stop.
Okay.
That one.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, I put the king on top.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, face up.
I cut it off.
Okay, so add the other part of the cards and put that on
Yes.
top. Okay, well done.
Shake it.
And shake them. Okay.
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 Okay. Okay. Please say stop one more time.
Okay.
Okay.
Stop.
Okay.
Are you going to place the black king?
It's on.
Okay, the black king is on. Good boy.
Yes.
On top. Well done, Jihu Kim.
Top.
Very good.
Shake it.
Shake it again. Oh, I've seen the king there.
Okay.
We're shaking it again. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, what's that
Yeah.
card? What's that card?
I'll open it. Oh.
Oh, did not go very
Okay.
well. I've seen the black king. There it is. Oh, there's the black king. I can see the black king, Jihu Kim. But I can't see the red king.
There's a king who's kissing. Okay.
Yeah, there is a king missing.
One.
You're right. Oh, you're taking two out.
It's two.
With two. Ah, it was there. Okay. You're taking two. The two next to them. You're taking a card next to the kings. One black, one red.
Did the king find a partner?
Will the king find its partner? I don't know. Is that the partner of the red king?
Red king. Red diamond king.
Red diamond king? It's the red diamond king. Wow.
Red diamond king.
And it's the red diamond king.
Queen.
Wow. On the queen. Oh, because they're married, they match.
Yeah, partner.
They're partners. Very good. They're partners. Okay, so
Okay.
does the black king have the queen?
Black clover king.
Black spade of king. The black spade of king. So that's the spade. Black spade.
Black spade king.
Good. Black spade king. Oh.
Okay.
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 So the spade, black spade king. Has that found
Black
its partner?
spade king on black spade.
Can we have the black queen spade? Yes, very good. The black spade king. Very good to you, Kim. Well done. Because I know you were shaking them up. You were shaking them up as well, and I didn't see. Wow. Very good.